Lydia, why don't you take these 2 lines? Did we lose Lydia?
Yes, no, I'm here.
Are you going to play it?
Are you going to play it? Yeah, usually you play it first, or do you play it?
No, why don't you try to pronounce it, then we'll play it.
Ok, sure. Buongiorno Italia con i tuoi artisti, con troppa America sui manifesti.
All right, let's hear
And I think
what
that
he said.
means,
Hold on, let's hear what he said.
let's play, yeah.
Buongiorno Italia con i tuoi artisti, con troppa America sui manifesti.
All right, so he said, Buongiorno Italia con i tuoi artisti.
Hello Italy with your artists.
Yeah.
With too much America on your, and I think manifesti in this case might mean billboards.
Yeah,
or
billboards,
signs.
Posters, signs.
Posters, yeah.
Yeah.
With too much America on your signs or, yeah.
Yep, perfect. Perfect. All right, we'll move on to Anne. Why don't you take these 3 lines?
Con le canzoni con amore, con il cuore, con più donne e sempre meno suore.
All right, let's hear what he says.
Con le canzoni, con amore, con il cuore, con più donne, sempre meno suore.
All right, so he sang con le canzoni, con amore, con il cuore,
With the, okay.
con più donne e sempre meno suore. So what's con le canzoni con amore mean?
With songs, with love,
Yeah.
with, okay, now this one I don't know. I don't know what cuore is.
Cuore means,
Where heart, with my heart?
yep, heart.
Okay.
Similar word you could think of, Anne, to help you might be this one, coronary. Corazon.
You're funny. I like that.
Spanish.
Larry, you are fabulous to think of coronary.
Coronary. Okay, well, okay, it came to me. Okay, with many ladies.
Yeah.
Sempre is always, and meno is hands. But what's suore?
Meno's less. Meno means
Mono is hand.
less.
Oh, less. And always less.
Sisters.
I don't know S-U-O-R-E.
Sisters, those are like nuns, sisters.
Oh, it was none. Okay.
So it's saying, hey, Italy, you have your love songs, your love songs from con il cuore, with the heart, from the heart. Donne e sempre meno suore. There's more women and there's less nuns in Italy.
Less what?
Nuns. Sisters.
Nuns, like in the habit nuns?
Yep,
Yes.
Yeah.
Hilarious.
Yeah. And another, sometimes you'll see this contracted. So con il cuore, sometimes you'll see col cuore. That's,
I always wanted to know about that. Okay.
that's a contraction. So con il cuore, col cuore, it's the same thing.
That's the
that extra
alternative
syllable.
with, yeah.
All right, Kathleen, why don't you take these 4 lines?
Okay. Buongiorno Italia, buongiorno Maria, con gli occhi pieni di I forgot that one. Malaconia.
Okay.
I can't remember that one. Buongiorno Dio,
Okay.
lo sai che ci sono anch'io.
Okay, let's hear it.
Buongiorno Italia, buongiorno Maria, con gli occhi pieni di malinconia. Buongiorno Dio, lo sai che ci sono anch'io.
So he sang Buongiorno Italia, buongiorno Maria.
Yeah. Hello Italy, hello Maria.
Yep.
With
Con gli occhi
Eyes with eyes full of melancholy, with harmony or melancholy.
melancholy, said I.
Yeah.
Malinconia.
Malinconia. Malinconia.
Malinconia.
Hello, God.
Yeah.
I know that I know who they are also.
Lo sai che ci sono anch'io. You know that I'm here too.
Oh, okay. You know, right? You know that I am here also. Yeah. Okay.
I'm there.
I'm also here.
Sono, yeah.
I'm also here.
Ci sono anch'io. Like I'm here too. Buongiorno, Dio. Lo sai che ci sono. Lo sai che ci sono anch'io.
Lo sai che ci sono anch'io.
Yep.
Anch'io.
Perfect.
Malinconia. Malinconia.
Malinconia. Yep.
That's great.
Is that like sadness or the blues,
Yep.
Yeah.
melancholy? Okay.
Yep.
Right.